Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how I cook my Nigerian correct jollof rice. So these are all my ingredients. I will name all the things that you are going to use on the screen. Guys, trust me in this one. The way I'm going to show you, and when you cook this jollof rice, I bet you, and when your friends, family came to visit you, they will love to come back again because they want to come and eat this kind of your jollof rice. So guys, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That is the only way you make me to come again to do other video. That is the only way for you guys to encourage me. So please, I need your support because you guys know this is a new channel. Without your support, I'm nobody. So now let's get started. First, I'll just pour my rice into a bowl and I add some hot water with salt. Just pour a little enough of water on the rice. Then I will stir it together very well. So I will leave it for about 10 minutes inside the hot water because I don't like boiling my rice. This is the way I do my own. So now I'll just add oil on my pot, my sunflower oil. I'll leave it to heat for about 1 minute. Then I'll add my onion. Then I add my onion. Guys, you know I like onion. So if you guys have been watching me, you see I always like eating a lot of onion in my food. So you can put the amount of onion that you want. Then I'll add my tomato paste. Then I will stir it together. Guys, just continue stirring it together. Don't leave there because when you leave or you just leave it for a minute, it will get burned. So be there and stir it continuously. Then I'll add my fresh tomatoes that I cooked before. I stir it together very well. Wow, so beautiful. Stir it very well. You see, stir it so that it will not get burned. I add my Maggi. Just stir it very well. See, our tomato will continue. I need to cook it very well because you know sometimes the tomato, that taste that is so harsh, you need to cook it very well. So our stew is almost ready. So you need to take some of the oil out of it because I don't like too much oil in my food, but I need to use the oil to cook the tomato. So after cooking it, I'll just take off the oil out of the tomato because also I'm going to use butter later, so I just want to take all the oil out of it. As you can see, this is the oil I take off. So you can see no oil in it. So now I just bring out my pot and I pour in my chicken stock. I add my curry, and I'll add my nutmeg. I'll add my white pepper. I'll also add my Maggi. And I'll add my Scotch bonnet. So I also add my butter. I'll add my tomato, the stew that I prepared before. You just stir it together very, very well. So now test it if everything is okay. And I'll cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. Then I'll start to add my rice. This is a very big pot of rice because we have a visitor that is coming to our home. You stir it together very, very well. So as you can see, the rice is just cooking. At this point, you need to be the secret of jollof rice. Just be there every 10 or 7 minutes. Open your pot, turn it around, just continue turning it so that it will not get burned. I know some people like burnt jollof rice, but you continue stirring it. Then you cover it. Then I just take another pan. I slice all the other ingredients that I'll show you guys before. Then my bay pepper, paprika, tomato. I just slice everything together. I just want to make this little sauce. Then I'll add my vegetable stock cube. This is my vegetable stock. I'll just add it, then I'll stir it together. I'll just leave it to cook gradually with a low heat. Don't add water. Add my curry. Add my white pepper. Then I just add one Maggi cube, 1 star Maggi cube. I stir it together very well. Then I lower the heat. I'll leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now, as you can see, my sauce is ready. So now, let's go and check on our jollof rice. Wow, as you can see, the jollof rice is just cooking. I need to turn it again, start stirring the rice. I'll just turn it down and bring it down up, and I take the up to the down so that it will cook very well. Guys, this jollof rice is wonderful. The whole house, even my neighbors, they will be imagining, what is this woman cooking? It's so easy, guys, as you can see, very easy to do. So now the remaining stew, I just feel like adding it to give him the finishing touch, to give it more flavor, to make it more tasty. Then I'll just add the remaining butter. That is why I took off the oil, because I know I'm going to add this butter in. I'm going to put butter, so I don't need too much oil in my rice. This butter will give him, will take it to the next level. Guys, please try this one. Try it. It's so yummy, delicious, and so good. I can't wait to eat it. As you can see, guys, my rice is ready. Easy to cook, lovely, yummy, tasty. I don't even know what to say, but guys, please, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That is the only way you guys just have to support me. It's a new channel, so that I can able to grow my channel. I love you all, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. This is my chicken that I grilled in my oven. So guys, bye bye, ciao.